Step through the front door and be instantly enchanted by the warmth and charm of this delightful family farmhouse. This inviting home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, all set within an open floor plan that radiates. The large country kitchen beckons for family gatherings and culinary adventures, while the enclosed rear sunroom offers a serene retreat, perfectly positioned to catch breathtaking sunsets over the lush, grassy field behind. Outside, you will find a fenced-in backyard that provides both privacy and space for outdoor activities, alongside a 3-bay barn and a convenient storage shed, all spread across picturesque land. This is a wonderful opportunity for a new owner to bring their vision to life. Embrace the potential and make this unique farmhouse your own. Just add water to your lifestyle.